Hello, it's Graham here. The purpose of this video is to show you how simple it is to get up and running with a free trial of CalmBrain and how quickly you can be using the system to benefit children in your school. So, let's sign up for a free trial from the link on our website. And the first thing you have to do is enter some basic details about your school, including the address, and the country. Next, it's some information about you. This will create the account in CalmBrain with you as the CalmBrain coordinator, which is like a super user, but you can change this later if you need to. We need your email address, and hopefully, like me, you are not a robot. Then click the Create a CalmBrain account button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it, we're all signed up. The next thing that will happen is you'll receive an email. Let's open that email. And first we'll click on the link to confirm our email address. And once that's done, we're ready to use CalmBrain for the first time. You can find the link to log into CalmBrain from our homepage. So the first thing we'll do is enter our username, which is the email you signed up with. And the password, which we can copy and paste from the email we received, making sure we don't include any spaces at the end. And this takes you to the dashboard. To start getting the benefit of CalmBrain immediately, when you're in a classroom or in an assembly, just click on the Approach menu and select the Positive Emotions/Moods item. Then pick one of the emotions. I'm going to go for amusement. Select one of the movements. I think penguin flap because that gets the kids giggling. And then just press play. And that is all you need to do. There is more to CalmBrain, obviously, including the assessments and the reporting, but you can get around to that when you've got some more time. Just getting some of the movements from the Jukebox in front of your children 2 or 3 times a day should give positive results in a very short space of time.